You see this hair right here? By the end of this video, you're going to see something completely different and beautiful. Okay, I have two styles in my mind, this one this one, but I'm actually thinking which one should I go for. Okay, so by the end of this video, you're going to see the exact one I went for. It's going to be simple but blushing. If you know that you also don't used to have a clean and a neat braiding, this video is actually for you, because look at me, I use natural hair. Okay, and it's not easy to use this kind of hair to do braiding. All right, so but that's what I'm going to be doing. And if you're always having challenge your unnatural hair and you don't know how your braiding, your weaving, your whatever hair you want to do will come out like, watch this video to the end and you see the transformation of how this my natural hair became so beautiful and neat braiding. All right, guys, so I'm going to be carrying you along every step I take while I am making this hair. Thank you so much for joining us. Yeah, we do lifestyle. Please just relax and enjoy yourself and have fun in this channel. Thank you for checking us up. Continue to check us up, guys. So if you know you have not clicked the bell, the button, the subscribe, please do that. And stay tuned as we carry you along, along, and along. Okay, so this is the end result of the hair. Oh, it's dark in here, but I think you can see. So this is how it looks. How do I look? Yeah. So did I get the style? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys.